When it comes to kitchen renovations, one of the most common dilemmas homeowners face in Kitchener-Waterloo is choosing the right kitchen cabinets. With the myriad of choices available, many find themselves asking, are IKEA kitchen cabinets worth it in Kitchener-Waterloo? This question is particularly relevant for our community, where design preferences range from sleek, modern aesthetics to warm, traditional styles. As you embark on your kitchen renovation journey, evaluating the functionality, style, and budget of potential cabinets can make a significant difference in the outcome of your project. In this article, we'll delve into the pros and cons of opting for IKEA kitchen cabinets in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. We'll explore how these cabinets stack up against other options available locally, considering factors such as cost effectiveness, style variety, and ease of installation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast eager for a weekend project or a busy homeowner looking for a professional touch, understanding the value IKEA cabinets bring to the table is crucial. So, if you're curious about whether these popular flat pack cabinets can meet your renovation needs, read on to discover if they truly align with your vision and budget for your dream kitchen. Understanding the popularity of IKEA kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. Homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo have a plethora of choices when it comes to kitchen renovations, but IKEA kitchen cabinets have consistently remained a popular option. One of the main reasons for this popularity is IKEA's commitment to offering stylish and functional kitchen solutions at affordable prices. In a growing region like Kitchener-Waterloo, where the housing market is vibrant and diverse, having a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on design is crucial. IKEA cabinets are known for their sleek, modern designs that can fit seamlessly into various kitchen aesthetics, from contemporary condos in downtown Kitchener to cozy family homes in Waterloo's suburbs. Beyond cost-effectiveness, IKEA kitchen cabinets offer versatility that appeals greatly to local homeowners. The modular design of IKEA cabinets allows for a high degree of customization, which is particularly beneficial in a community with a wide range of kitchen layouts. Whether you're working with a compact kitchen in a city townhouse or a spacious open concept layout in a suburban home, IKEA's cabinetry can be tailored to fit your space. Additionally, the availability of various finishes and styles means you can achieve a look that's truly your own, something that resonates well in a region that values individuality and personal expression. However, it's important to consider some trade-offs when opting for IKEA kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. While the initial cost savings are appealing, installation can be a bit more complex than anticipated, especially for those who are not particularly handy. Moreover, the durability of IKEA cabinets, while generally good, may not match that of higher-end custom cabinetry. Something to consider if you plan to stay in your home long-term. Despite these considerations, many find the trade-off worthwhile, given the design flexibility and cost savings. Pros and cons of choosing IKEA kitchen cabinets for your Kitchener-Waterloo home. When considering kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, IKEA often comes up as a popular choice due to its affordability and modern designs. However, like any home renovation decision, there are pros and cons to weigh when deciding if IKEA cabinets are the right fit for your home. Known for their sleek aesthetics and budget-friendly pricing, IKEA kitchen cabinets can provide a quick and stylish update to your space. Yet, it's important to consider the durability, customization options, and installation requirements that come with these prefabricated units. On the positive side, IKEA cabinets offer a great range of contemporary styles that can appeal to a variety of tastes. Their modular system allows you to mix and match different components to achieve a customized look without the custom price tag. For homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo, this means you can create a stylish kitchen that suits your aesthetic preferences and functional needs, all while keeping costs down. Furthermore, IKEA regularly updates its product lines, ensuring that you have access to the latest design trends and innovations. In addition, their cabinets are generally easy to clean and maintain, which is a crucial consideration for busy households. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. While IKEA cabinets are cost-effective, they may not offer the same level of durability as custom-made options. The materials used, often a combination of particle board and fiberboard, might not withstand the same wear and tear as solid wood cabinets, which could be a concern for active families or if you plan on staying in your home long term. Additionally, the installation process can be complex and time consuming. While IKEA provides detailed instructions, the assembly and installation might require professional help to ensure a perfect fit and finish. This is where Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys can provide invaluable assistance, offering expert installation services that ensure your cabinets are both functional and beautiful. How to customize IKEA kitchen cabinets to suit your Kitchener Waterloo space. Customizing IKEA kitchen cabinets for your Kitchener Waterloo home can be a rewarding experience, allowing you to achieve a modern, personalized look without breaking the bank. The key to a successful kitchen renovation lies in making thoughtful adjustments that reflect your unique style while also accommodating the practical needs of your space. IKEA offers a wide range of cabinet styles and components that can be tailored to fit any kitchen layout. Whether you live in a historic home in Kitchener's Victoria Park neighborhood or a contemporary condo in Waterloo. One of the most significant advantages of using IKEA kitchen cabinets is their adaptability. You can mix and match different cabinet fronts, handles, and interior organizers to create a kitchen that not only fits your aesthetic preferences, but also enhances functionality. For homeowners in the region, considering the local climate and lifestyle is crucial. For instance, open shelving might be ideal for showcasing your collection of artisanal pottery from St. Jacobs, but it might not suit a busy family kitchen in Cambridge, where closed cabinets can help manage clutter. By taking the time to customize IKEA kitchen cabinets thoughtfully, you can create a kitchen that not only looks stunning, but also meets the practical needs of your household. Whether you're inspired by the sleek designs seen in uptown Waterloo condos or the rustic charm of Kitchener's Victorian homes, there are endless possibilities to explore. Make sure to consider the unique aspects of your space and don't hesitate to seek local expertise to ensure your kitchen renovation is a success. Budgeting for IKEA kitchen cabinets, a guide for Kitchener Waterloo homeowners. When considering a kitchen renovation in Kitchener Waterloo, IKEA kitchen cabinets often emerge as a popular choice due to their affordability and sleek designs. However, budgeting for these cabinets involves more than just the price tag. Homeowners need to consider a range of factors that can influence the total cost and ensure that their investment aligns with their kitchen design goals. The initial appeal of IKEA cabinets is their competitive pricing, which is often significantly lower than custom cabinetry. Yet understanding the full scope of costs will help you make an informed decision that fits your budget and renovation aspirations. One of the primary advantages of IKEA kitchen cabinets for Kitchener Waterloo homeowners is their modularity and the ability to customize layouts to fit various kitchen sizes and configurations. This flexibility can lead to cost savings, as you can purchase only the components necessary for your design. However, the trade-off is that you might incur additional costs if customization or professional installation is required. While IKEA does offer in-house installation services, hiring local professionals can ensure a perfect fit and finish, especially if your kitchen space presents unique challenges. Moreover, the cost of additional features like soft-close hinges, cabinet organizers, and high-end finishes can add up quickly, making it essential to prioritize your needs versus wants. Another consideration is the cost of transportation and assembly. IKEA stores are not located within Kitchener Waterloo, so you might need to factor in the logistics of picking up or delivering the cabinets from the nearest store, which could be an additional expense. Assembly is another area where costs can vary. If you are a DIY enthusiast, you might save money by assembling the cabinets yourself. However, if you're not comfortable with DIY projects, hiring a professional assembler might be necessary, which will add to the overall cost. To navigate these complexities effectively, here are some practical tips for budgeting your IKEA kitchen cabinet project. Where to find inspiration for IKEA kitchen cabinet designs in Kitchener Waterloo. For homeowners in Kitchener Waterloo considering a kitchen remodel, IKEA kitchen cabinets offer a versatile and budget-friendly option. However, deciding on a design that complements your home and lifestyle can be daunting. Fortunately, the region offers a wealth of inspiration to help you make the best choice. From local showrooms to online resources and community events, you can gather ideas that align with your taste and functional needs. Whether you're going for a modern look or a more rustic charm, these resources will guide you in transforming your kitchen into a space you'll love. One of the first places to seek inspiration is the IKEA store located in nearby Burlington. While a bit of a drive from Kitchener-Waterloo, this store offers a comprehensive look at the latest kitchen cabinet designs and configurations. Here, you can physically interact with the cabinets, assess the quality, and visualize how different styles and finishes might look in your own kitchen. The store's layout allows you to see the modular possibilities that IKEA is famous for, making it easier to envision how you can customize the cabinets to fit your space. Additionally, the IKEA website offers an online planning tool that lets you design your kitchen virtually, providing a convenient way to experiment with various styles from the comfort of your home. Local home improvement stores and kitchen design showrooms in Kitchener-Waterloo also provide a plethora of ideas. Stores like Home Depot and Lowe's often have display kitchens featuring IKEA cabinets or similar styles to give you a sense of how they can be integrated into different kitchen layouts. Visiting these stores can offer insight into the latest trends and technologies, such as soft close drawers or integrated lighting, that can complement IKEA cabinets. Many showrooms have design consultants on hand who can offer personalized advice and help you plan a kitchen that maximizes both aesthetics and efficiency. Frequently asked questions. Q. How do IKEA kitchen cabinets compare to custom cabinetry in terms of cost and quality? A. IKEA kitchen cabinets are generally more affordable than custom cabinetry, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious homeowners. While custom cabinets offer more personalized options and potentially higher quality materials, IKEA provides a balance of style and durability at a lower price point. For many in Kitchener-Waterloo, IKEA cabinets offer an excellent value proposition without compromising significantly on quality. Q. Can IKEA kitchen cabinets be customized to fit unique kitchen layouts? Yes, IKEA kitchen cabinets offer a range of modular options that can be adapted to fit various kitchen layouts. Though they might not offer the same level of customization as bespoke cabinetry, their flexible system allows for creative configurations. Homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo can often find solutions that meet their design needs, especially when using IKEA's planning tools or consulting with a professional installer. Q. How durable are IKEA kitchen cabinets, and do they hold up well in the long term? A. IKEA kitchen cabinets are known for their durability, largely due to their high-quality materials and construction methods. While they may not match the longevity of premium custom cabinets, they generally hold up well with proper care and maintenance. For Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners, IKEA cabinets offer a dependable option that can withstand the demands of everyday use over many years, making them a worthwhile investment. Deciding whether IKEA kitchen cabinets are the right choice for your home in Kitchener-Waterloo can be challenging. At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo, we can help you make the best decision tailored to your needs and budget. Visit our Google page to see our customer reviews or explore our offerings in kitchen cabinets Kitchener. Call us today at 226-894-0234 or visit our website at kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to book a free estimate or get a quote. Let's bring your dream kitchen to life.